Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car neck pillows on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Tallgo Travel Pillow. Carry this travel pillow from Tallgo to make your long trips more bearable. The car neck pillow is filled with luxurious memory foam to provide perfect head and neck support. The semicircular headrest is available in 4 shades and is highly breathable. Features: pillowcase made of super soft silver fox texture plush velour, finds soft, not pilling, not fade, give your skin mild care, fits adults and kids. The pillow cover features an easy-to-use zipper, easy to clean. This pillow is constructed with high-quality memory foam, luxurious and breathable. The memory foam supports the head and neck perfectly. Easy to compress, easy to collect in a pillow storage bag. Multi-angle protection of the cervical spine, the rear hump shape fixed cervical spine, to prevent the head side slip, both sides of the groove, natural fit, to reduce the amount of bone pressure, front plus high, to prevent excessive head down tilt, conducive to cervical line health protection. Adjustable rope design, easy to adapt to a variety of body size, easy to adjust the comfort, effect for cars, biplane, travel and at home. Pros: ergonomic design, multi-angle protection, super soft fabric, breathable and luxurious, easy to compress and store, adjustable buckle and strap, removable and washable velour cover, includes a storage bag. Cons: may not be ideal for people with short necks. Number 2. Our second best pick is Aukee Memory Foam Car Neck Pillow. Aukee car neck pillow are well made with memory foam inside, comfortably support your head and neck, maintain your driving proper posture, provide you a comfortable driving experience. Just please check the pillow thickness carefully to make sure if it fits well for you. Improved: Aukee car headrest pillow have been improved now with double elastic straps, which now allows for a much better height adjustment, and it comes with 2 spare extension straps to extend the length for a wider fitment. Maximum length of elastic strap plus spare extension strap is 19 inches. Sleek and luxurious car pillow, soft and durable black leather cover perfectly matches black leather seat or black car interior. Leather can be simply wiped clean or removable for washing clean. Memory foam covered with a soft cloth to protect the memory foam from dust. This car seat neck rest pillow is designed for attaching in a suitable width. Do not try to overstretch the elastic band to avoid tearing of the strap and the fabric. Pillow installation height depends on your seat height. The support position varies depending on the individual's height. The product was vacuum packed. After receiving the package, please just open the package, then it will expand to full size. If the memory foam rebounds slowly, please press or rub the memory foam firmly to help the memory foam to rebound. 1 PC pillow and 2 spare extension straps included in the package. Pros: improved double elastic fabric bands, luxurious and sleek design, easy to clean with a single wipe, soft cloth memory foam cover for dust protection, quality buckle. Cons: leather cover may become hot on sunny days. Number 3. Our third best pick is Feagar Car Seat Neck Pillow. Feagar's car seat neck pillow is a well-cushioned headrest designed to alleviate neck pain with necessary cervical support. It has 2 adjustable straps with a protective cover that is easily washable, and its 100% pure memory foam ensures maximum comfort on long drives or travels. The machine washable pillow is available in suede black and measures 9.4 into 7.1 into 5.9 inch. Features: driving long distances or for a long time can be a real pain in the neck. This memory foam car neck pillow is ergonomic and can give great support for your cervical spine and head. Note: all memory foam products are sensitive to temperature. It's normal that your car neck pillow will feel softer in warm and firmer or thicker in cold temperatures. You will feel comfortable after a few minutes as your body temperature makes the head pillow soft. Most driver seat pillows in the market only have one strap, which is annoying and hard to keep the pillow in place. But our car pillow with 2 adjustable straps, it's easy to hold it steadily. Feagar neck support cushion, breathable and soft cloth cover which can keep air circulating well. The pillow cover is removable and machine washable. This headrest pillow uses thick, high-density memory foam that can keep its shape, feels soft and comfortable. And with extra inner cover to avoid it polluting by sweat and dust. Feagar car neck pillow is just what your car was missing. It helps to ease your neck pain and give the support you need while driving. Extremely comfortable and supportive, perfect for the driver's seat and passenger seat. Pros: ergonomic design, great cervical spine support, removable mesh cover, durable zipper and buckle, excellent air circulation, extra inner cover for protection against dust and sweat. Convenient for both drivers and passengers. Cons: may not fit all car seats. Number 4. Our 4th best pick is Aukee Memory Foam Neck Travel Pillow. With its super soft magnetic therapy cloth and tiny premium micropads inside, this travel pillow for cars from Aukee offers comfort in ways that most other car neck pillows can't. It is a memory foam neck pillow that provides 360-degree head support, ensuring all-round comfort while you are seated in your vehicle. Its thoughtful design and semi-circular shape make it suitable for use when traveling by bus, train, or flight. This headrest pillow can be a great add-on for neck support at home and office too. Pros: available in 6 attractive colors. Lightweight at just 0.66 pounds. Advanced 5-second rebound memory foam technology. Upgraded sweat-resistant elastic fabric. No pilling or fading. Gentle on the skin. Designed for portability with up to 50% compression. Cons: cover color may bleed. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Bearable Adjustable Car Neck Pillow. The adjustable car neck pillow from Bearable is another great addition to this list with its excellent headrest support. The best driver pillow for daily use, exclusive adjustable design, the car headrest pillow can be effectively adjusted upward, downward, forward, and backward according to different heights. There is always a position that suits you. This neck support pillow perfectly fits the driver's seat or the front passenger seat, assistant seat, with cylindrical headrest posts that can be raised and lowered. The 3D concave curved surface fits perfectly with the neck curve. Ergonomic design can effectively relieve long-term driving fatigue, reduce neck pressure, and provide you with a relaxed, comfortable, and safe driving experience. The adjustable car neck pillow passed a strict collision test by CalSpan in the USA. The combination of high-density soft suede cloth and pure slow rebound memory foam absorb impact and make driving safer, which is of high quality and worry-free. The neck support pillow installation is simple, and the installation can be easily completed without using any tools. Please note that car headrests without metal cylindrical poles are not suitable for use. Pros: suitable for everyday use. Comes with an adjustable height. Concave curved surface for a perfect neck void fit. Breathable and absorbs sweat. Provides long-lasting use. Helps relieve extended driving fatigue. Reduces neck pressure. Installation in a single click. Cons: may not be stable on some headrests. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.